learning?
Girl Scout Troop 1520. And as Ms. Nichols said, they've been learning about transportation engineering and learning how to program Lego robots. So they want to share with you what they've learned. So we put together a short slideshow, and then they're going to do a little demonstration to show you how they programmed their robots.
What is an engineer? You can read it. But an engineer applies science, math, and creativity to solve problems, like a way to take yourself from one place to another. That's what a transportation engineer does.
All right, so the next slide, Rhea. You're already hinted a little bit about what a transportation engineer is. So go ahead.
To move people and build safety and efficiency.
Does anybody know what efficiently means? Yes. Smoothly, yeah. Okay. One per person. Go ahead, Miranda. You pick the next one. A submarine, yes.
What are they? A helicopter.
A helicopter. Okay, what do we have left? Ship.
A motorbike.
Okay, so can you imagine how many different types of jobs there are with all those modes of transportation? All right, thank you. Oh, Miranda. And then I just have some pictures. You said a bicycle, airplane. Somebody said a subway or a train. There's one of the big ships. And there's Sydney's dad on his motorcycle. All right, so I'll do this one. So transportation engineers move people safely. So what do you think causes the most vehicle crashes? Yes. Okay, so something shouldn't be in the road? Okay, yes. That happens.
My mom gets on
Hi, Ken, I can't hear him. A rolling stop? Okay, so would that be the car's fault? A rolling stop?
Yes.
Sometimes, you think? Yes?
Running a red light.
Yeah? So did the car run the red light? Or did the light turn when it shouldn't have?
The driver.
The driver, right? Okay, so the most common way. So they also work at moving people efficiently. Does this look efficient to you?
No.
Okay. It looks pretty congested. Who knows what congested means? Yeah. Yes.
Like really packed together.
Yes. Crowded. All right. So Sierra's up. I kind of led you into this one.
Traffic congestion. Traffic congestion is overcrowded or clogged roads that prevent people from moving efficiently. So, like, if you're on the highway and there's too many cars, and all of them are like clung together because of like a red light or something, or maybe like a rotary that people are working on, that's traffic congestion. So sometimes the transportation engineers have to make sure that they move efficiently by making sure that the lights move at the right time, and that roadworks, they have someone making sure that the roads are moving efficiently.
So sometimes congestion can be caused by road construction or bad weather. That's why those pictures are up there. So it's backing itself up into its parking spot. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Good stuff. This way, right?
That was funny.
See the screen.
Here it goes.
So they learned how to make it go forward, backwards, say something, and put a symbol on the screen. All right, so Sydney, why don't you tell them what you have programmed this one to do?
This one is supposed to follow
There's people behind.
like the black line. It's going to go around in circles. So like if there's a ship and it needs cargo to get off, you can program the robot to grab the cargo and take it off. It's more safe that way instead of having a human, because it might get crushed and die.
And
Okay, so
yes.
Oh, I like the other side.
Yeah, I can rename it.
Steve.
Wait, it's finding the line.
finds the light.
There you go.
Go Phil the robot.
Go Phil.
So there's a sensor on the bottom. Can you see the little red light? So that sensor is going back and forth and finding the white and then the black. And then when it sees one or the other, it tells it to move forward.
So what are you looking at?
So can you imagine in the future when you want to go to Grandma's house and your mom doesn't want to take you, you can just go have your mom program the car to take you to Grandma's? Just follow the line. Where?
If somebody talks, right? So if you start to talk, the robot will, it'll go to the side and it's like a siren. And like if a fire truck's behind it, it'll stop and move over to the side. So the fire truck can get it.
Did you understand what that meant? So you're going along and all of a sudden the sensor detects a siren, your car is going to automatically pull over to the side and stop and hopefully not run anybody over.
So, like, if let's say, you're driving in your car and some person needs to cross the road and they're not smart enough, so they go ahead and cross the road even though the car's coming. The car will stop when it senses the person or whatever it is, and it'll let them pass and go.
So Zoe, which sensor does this one use?
This one uses these little eye-looking things.
Do you remember what kind it is? I don't expect you to remember this. It's an ultrasonic sensor. Does anybody know what ultrasonic means? Yes. It's a sound wave that it sends out. So the eyeballs are going to send out a sound wave. And when it hits something, like this guy right here, then it's going to bounce the sound wave back to the eyeballs to tell him that there's something there.
Can you see sound waves? No. Can you see sound waves? So is something going to come out and hit Evan in the head and come back? No. All right, listen. Nice and quiet. Wait, Andrew.
Go ahead and do it again. There you go. So how else would this be useful besides pedestrians people walking, crossing the street?
If you're crossing to a car.
Right.